Hey gorgeous people, welcome back to my channel. Say hi. But before we get into this makeup tutorial, you already know what it is. Hit that subscribe button. Does mommy look pretty? Does mommy look pretty? And then of course hit the bell to get notified when I upload a new video, because your girl uploads daily on this channel and you want to be notified and of course be a part of the, let's have Bella do it today. Hashtag, ooh, Bella, hashtag notification squad. Say comment down below if you're a part of the gorgeous squad. Ah, she's totally not eating a lollipop, guys. It's my lashes. But she loves it. Whatever keeps her happy, right? Hashtag mom life. But we are going to get into this makeup tutorial, you guys. Say bye. Bye-bye. Let's get into this makeup tutorial. This was a fun little intro having her. Well, she says bye. Bye. We out. Let's go.
If you find the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see, yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun. I still dream about the days when we were young. I'll take a hit and still finish in one, yeah, yeah. Oh, 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 oh. Memory lane isn't that too far away from our hearts, yeah, yeah. The ones we keep close, we should never let go. So tell me who you love, baby. Take a moment to unwind, fix yourself and realign yourself with the world, baby. Breathe slow, baby, yeah. We should breathe slow, we should breathe slow, we should breathe slow. We should breathe slow, we should breathe slow, we should breathe slow. We should breathe slow, we should breathe slow, we should breathe slow. We should breathe slow, breathe slow.
love.
So for lashes, I am wearing Lily Lashes in Dallas, and I'm absolutely obsessed with these lashes. I have wore them multiple times. Totally worth it, you guys. So let's finish this. So this is the finished look. I even put my lippy on. The only thing I am going to put on with you guys is this baby here, which is the Ofra times Madison Miller. I have been absolutely loving this, you guys. I got it in my IPSY Glam bag. Plus, if you haven't seen that video, check it out now. And I've been using the blush and the highlight. It is bomb. You guys know I love a good glow. So I had to look at this, you guys. That's literally one swipe of highlight. Like, it's amazing. It's blinding. So I always like to put highlight on with you guys. I think in every video I'm gonna make sure to put highlight on. But yeah, so that, oh my gosh, that glow. So let's get to this orange You Glad palette, you guys. I'm absolutely obsessed with this palette. As you guys see, it's already coming off because I have been using this. Okay, so I've been using this. I'm obsessed with it. That's why it's all dirty, because I've used this a few times now. This glitter here, you guys, a pressed glitter. I swear, you guys, I always get phone calls when I'm trying to film. It's so annoying, like, so annoying. But anyways, okay, so I just put this pressed glitter, literally just dabbed it with my fingers, you guys. You get a little on and just put it in your inner corner just to brighten that. Look at it. Just to brighten the inner corner. I absolutely love this glitter, you guys. It's so freaking pretty. So cute. So yeah, that's the final look, you guys. I give this palette an overall huge thumbs up. It has been a favorite of mine. I'm obsessed with it. I feel like this is a perfect summer transition to fall. Like, you could totally use a spring. I mean, this is a bomb palette. It's gorgeous. I mean, just look. It is gorgeous, you guys. So again, I give this a huge thumbs up. It's a must buy for me. And it's only $12. Like, you really can't beat that. But that's it for this video, you guys. Let me know what palette you guys want to see me review next. I have so many palettes I can't even keep up. So I'm going to be bringing a lot of palette reviews for you guys. But that is it for this video. Give me a big thumbs up. Share this video. And we have reached 600, you guys. So I'm going to be having a giveaway soon. Woo, woo. All right. Bye.